3 p.m. church bells in downtown San Fernando's. This is my last day in San Antonio. Too bad I didn't get like the 12 o'clock chimes and the 1 p.m. chimes in either St. Mary's or San Fernando's, but it's okay. I always have next time. So, yeah. We're gonna do the round 2 of the 3 p.m. church bells. San Fernando's does like some music going on at 3 o'clock. Normally at 3 o'clock. So, and from the previous videos, both San Fernando's and St. Mary's went off at this like almost the same time. So it might be kind of difficult to hear the music coming from there. I mean, St. Mary's might be is quick. It doesn't do anything after 3. So, yeah. Let's try to do this. So it's 2:57. I just started recording around 2:55. So, yeah. Yeah. Yes. I went on the Riverwalk last night. Took a boat tour last night. Before I filmed the 10 p.m. bells. And last night I also did the 11 p.m. bells. So yeah. Still 2:57. Tried to enjoy my last day here. Tomorrow I'm gonna be heading back home, which I kind of don't want to go back home, but because, you know, I love San Antonio. It's a really nice city. Actually, I would love to live there. I wouldn't mind living out downtown, actually, in apartments, in an apartment complex or whatever. So yeah. So it's now 2:58. Maybe I can find an apartment that's near the church. That'll be nice. Would be wet. Okay, it's 2:59. It should start raining right about now. There it goes. More than 3 gongs. There's St. Mary's. And it's going okay. It's going off again. San Fernando's. Beautiful. Beautiful towing. Bells. Coming from San Fernando's. Hope you can hear it better than the last time I did it. Beautiful sounds coming out of the bell tower. And that's pretty much it.